Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we're doing early in the morning. It is a 32 count line dance, only one wall, so very easy. Beginners will get it in no time, all right? So let's get started, right? I'm gonna turn my back to make it easier to follow. This is my right, this is my left, this is the front wall, that's the back wall, okay? First 8 counts. Single, single, double, double. You start with the right. So it's right, left, right, right. And then repeat it starting with the left. Left, right, left, left. Okay. And you notice this is the trail ride version of this line dance. So it's a lot of that trail ride bounce. Okay. So that's what I'm doing. Ready? So it's single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double. And the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Second 8 count. You're going to start with the dip, dip, 2. So that's the right foot forward. 1, 2. And then you're going to pick up that right and take 2 steps back. 3, 4 with the bounce. Then pick up the left, take it back. 5, 6. And then you're going to end this with a coaster step, starting with the right, bringing it back. 7 and 8. Okay. So what we did was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Let's try that again. Ready? 5, 6. Get ready to dip. Dip. 2. Right, right, left, left, right, left, right. Okay? So let's try those first 2 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Dip right, 2 step back and back with the coaster step. Okay? We got it? Let's try one more time. Let's count it out. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, first 2 counts. All right, third count is the kicks and the turns, right? So we just went 7 and 8. So you're going to pick up your right foot, you're going to kick it out and bring it down. It's a 2 counts, okay? So it's 1, 2, okay? So it's up, down, and then repeat it with the right, up, down, okay? And what I'm doing, so you can see, give you the side view. We just went 7 and 8. Pick it up, hit it down, pick it up, step it down, okay? You can lean to it. Again, this is one of those dances, you can put your own style to it, right? So let's get the count down. So we 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we're here, 4. And then you're going to pick up your left foot, step it forward and do a pivot half turn, 5, 6. And you're going to do the same thing again. Pick up this left foot, pivot half turn, 7, 8. Okay. So that third 8 count, we just came out of the coaster step. We're going to pick up our left, kick it down, step, turn, step, half turn. Right? Let's try that again. All right. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's try those 3 8 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double. Step right, 2, right, and left, right, left, right. Now kick it down, kick down, step, half turn, step, half turn. Okay. Last count, fourth 8 count. We are going to take this left foot that's back and step it 2 count, 2 steps to the left. 1, 2, and then we're going to rock back with the right, 3, 4. And then you're going to you're going to take 2 steps with the right, 5, 6. And then you're going to end with a coaster step on the left, 7 and 8. So it's left, right, left. Okay? So that last fourth 8 count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? And that last coaster is at an angle when you do it. It's not straight back, but at an angle. All right? So that fourth 8 count, 5, 6, 7, step to the left. Step left for a 2, rock back. Step right for a 2 in a coaster step. Okay? All right, so let's put all 4 8 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Rock 2, rock right and left. Coaster step. Now kick, down, turn, turn. Step 2, rock, and step 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, so now let's try one more time with the counts and we'll speed it up a bit, okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And repeat. All right? That's it. That is the dawn dance too early in the morning. So hopefully it was helpful to you. If so, let me know. Send me a like or a comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. I'm going to keep in comments. Let me know what you'd like to see. All right? In the meantime, see you out there on that dance floor. Talk to you later. Mwah.